Hello, I would like to let you know about an affordable room for rent I have in historic downtown Fort Morgan. This is a secure, private, carpeted bedroom with closet space, window air conditioner, and baseboard heat. The shared common first floor includes access to a family room, a shared bathroom, a laundry room, and a kitchen with essential cookware and cabinet space for your own use. So if you're looking for an affordable place and don't mind sharing a house with me and at least one other person, we are looking for a clean, quiet, professional roommate. Utilities are included in the month-to-month lease as well as high-speed Wi-Fi internet at no extra charge. With the use of the TurboTenant web portal, enjoy a fast and easy online application and leasing experience. This makes the whole renting process safe and reliable when you have 2 IDs and 2 proof of incomes for a background and credit check at your expense. Online payment options to pay your rent easily and on time. Choose to have TurboTenant report your on-time rent payments to TransUnion to help build your credit history. TurboTenant also offers renter's insurance, so you can protect your belongings for that extra peace of mind. Please let me know if you'd like to stop by and take a look. I'm here Monday through Wednesday to show the place. Fill out the pre-screen to start the application or to schedule a tour.